Okay, guys. Hey, thanks for speaking up about what we've done here. Tell me the reason why you really wanted to change these lights out. Was it high energy? It was dark in here. What was the main reason?
It was all of those things that, you know, we were spending a ton of money on maintenance on the bulbs and the light output. I mean, this place looked like a cave. This is truly a night and day transformation. So we're really impressed with the product.
So the guys had, you were saying before that the guys, they would go up 2 or 3 sections of your pallets there and they couldn't even see up there, but now they can see all the way up.
Absolutely, yeah. They have been singing the praises, you know, every day since we've done this side of the warehouse, and we're anxious to get the other side done. Once we do, we'll actually be able to see in here, so we're happy.
That's awesome. Now, John, one of the things you were telling me was there was how many lights in here to begin with, and you've taken it
275 fixtures of 8-foot T12 fixtures, 2 lamps, 60 watts apiece, 120 watts per fixture, with an output. You're losing 40% of that output over the duration of the life of the lamps.
Wow. And you've cut it down to how many fixtures? Because you've moved them to the center. You can see that they're in the center of the aisles.
Right, correct. We've retroed it down to 150 total fixtures for a 100,000 square foot warehouse.
Wow, that's huge. And I know we looked at the foot candles before. Originally, we were getting maybe 3 or 4 on the dark side.
5 to 7 in a good location, 3 foot off the ground for foot candles. We're currently now with our LED meter, in some cases approaching 30 foot candles, 3 foot off the floor.
That's absolutely awesome. Well, thanks, guys. I appreciate your help on this. I'm glad you like the LED super strips.
Thank you.